In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can locate the microphone on your Chromebook device, especially a Chromebook tablet. But before we get into that, make sure that the microphone is available on your device. If you have an external microphone, then you have to make sure that that microphone is connected or detected by the system. You can do so by clicking on this clock icon at the bottom right corner of the screen in the shelf area. And after that, on the speaker section, you want to click on this right arrow, audio settings, and make sure that the microphone is detected. And there could be multiple options, but in my case, I only have one internal microphone. And this is actually a slider where you can adjust the level of sensitivity of the microphone itself. Now, this setting is really something that I cannot tell or what setting is the best, because it really depends on what is the thing that you're trying to record, and also each microphone might have a different sensitivity, or optimal sensitivity level. So there are some microphones that are good at 30 to 40%, and there are some others that are good at 100%. But regardless, you have to try it yourself and test which level is actually the best. So after you make sure that the microphone is detected and it is actually working, then I'm going to show you where you can actually locate the actual hardware of the microphone. So this is actually just as important, because you want to make sure that the audio is as clear as possible, and the best way to achieve that is to make sure that the audio source is actually being captured by the microphone. So it really depends on the Chromebook model. So in a lot of Chromebooks, in order to find the microphone holes, it is usually located at the top or at the sides of the device. So in my case, I do have this Chromebook, and the tiny holes of microphones are located at the top. So if I speak to this direction, my voice is going to be going to sound a lot better if I'm speaking away from this holes. So you have to make sure that the audio, your voice, or basically your mouth, is close to the microphone. In some devices it could be different, it could be on the side, it could be at the bottom, but you just need to find the tiny holes at the sides of your device. And by the way, please not to be confused with the speaker, because the speaker are located usually on the sides or at the top, but they do usually have multiple holes like this. This is a row of holes of the speaker, and these two are just the holes of the microphone. So make sure that you're not confused between the two. But if you're using a external microphone, then I think it's just quite obvious that you can start recording using the microphone, and you can just put the microphone at the appropriate position to make sure that the audio is going to be as clear as possible. And if you don't know where you want to find where you can find the internal microphone location, you can just check the manual, and it will give you the diagram of the document and will show you where the microphone holes are located. So I guess that's basically it. That's how you can locate the microphone holes on your Chromebook device. I hope you found this tutorial video to be helpful, and I'll see you on the next video.